Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to talk about this Parachute newly launched pre-wash hair nourisher. I am super duper excited to try this product. Guys, first let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a pump bottle. As you can see, it retails at rupees 120 and it is having 150 ml. From my childhood days I am using Parachute coconut oil. If I am not wrong, you are also doing the same. So if anything new comes from the brand Parachute, we all get excited. Now this is a pre-wash hair nourisher, guys. That means before you shampoo your hair, just like oil, you have to put this on your hair and you have to keep it for 30 minutes and then you can wash your hair with shampoo. I will be doing the same. It's written over, all the instructions are given here. The first it says that pump out 4 to 5 times, apply like oil, and it is going to get absorbed. So I am doing the same. 3, 4, 5. Now I am going to put this on my hair. I have put it on my hair, as you can see and as you can understand. So I am going to just wash this after 30 minutes and I will show you the results, and I am very hopeful about this product. So guys, 30 minutes is over and after washing my hair, this is the result. My hair has become much more softer, shinier and silkier. So it's worth the money, guys. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. I have bought it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box, and it's a great savior for those people who doesn't have time to take care of their hair. It will really save you guys. So guys, if you have liked this review of mine, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do share this video among your friends and family members. Keep coming back to my channel. Do watch my videos and loads of love until my next video comes. Tata, take care, bye bye.